We started since 1992 as Red Cricket Vending Concepts Incorporated. By year 1996, we launched two concepts, which is My Pao, Siapaw Siomai, and the Jack's Eatables, which is Kikiam Fishball Chicken Balls. And then by year 2006, our company renamed itself as Filterpreneur Franchise Incorporated. Since then, the number of franchises has increased significantly from when FFI first started, and with the continuous support of a loyal and growing consumer base throughout the country. We have two kinds of business, which is traditional business and non-traditional business. Under the traditional business, you can choose like food cart franchising. So we have 30,000, 50,000, and our best-selling concept, which is 3-in-1, which is 75,000 pesos only. Second is San Miguel's Kambal Pandesal, our bakery business. Number 3 is F Salon, which is salon, beauty, and body spa. Our second line of business is non-traditional business. So this is the part where the ordinary becomes an extraordinary. Because number 1, you don't have to pay for the rent or location. Number 2, you have no overhead expenses. And number 3, this is only one-time payment. You do the system very well, you build your organization, and you can earn passively. So this program is called the Filipino Dream. These are the persons who have experienced massive changes in their lives because of TFD. Number 1 is Mr. Alan Marvin Adair. So who'd have thought that this guy is a former waiter and backup dancer at Magandang Tanghali Bayan. And now, this guy is a multi-millionaire, the current president of the company, and now he's earning almost 1 million to 1.5 million per month doing TFD business. So doing this business since year 2008, after 5 months, he got his own Toyota Fortuner. After a year, he got his own car incentive, which is Dodge Nitro. And after a year, he got his another incentive, which is Chevrolet Camaro. And last year, he got his own Mercedes-Benz SLK from the company for free. Number 2, Miss Aika Lorraine Uy. She started since 19 years old. She's a civil engineering student from the University of the Philippines. After 4 months, she got her own brand new Mitsubishi Strada. And after 4 years, she got her own Ford Mustang. And currently, she's earning more or less 1 million per month because of TFD business. Our third top earner is Miss Peachy Capili. She's a UST graduate of Fine Arts. At the age of 21 years old, after 10 months doing the business, she got her own Mazda 2. And after 4 years doing the business, she got her own Ford Mustang. And currently, she's earning almost 500,000 per month because of TFD business. The next is, this is the youngest millionaire of the company. His name is Marlon Santos. He started the business since 15 years old. After 2 years doing the business, he got his own brand new car, which is Geely. And after a year, he got his own brand new Honda City. And this guy is earning more or less 100,000 per week because of TFD. Here in TFD, we change lives.